All right, so now we move on to VIX25 1S. This is let's go to daily time frame, right? So now, as you can see, I already have some things on my chart, right? So um, it's going to be easy, right? So now you can see that this market from the beginning of 2020, September 15, it is moving. Excuse me, excuse me. Consolidating up, down, up, down, then up, then this, and then up, right? So right now, we can say that the market is going to the upside, right? Because we have an origin here, which is a double bottom, right? So you can say that the market is pushing to the upside, and then the market is forming a higher high, as we can see here. So that's why I have these boxes here. So this is a high. This high is higher than this high, and this high is higher than this high. This low is higher than this low. This low is higher than this low. So those are the character of a bullish price or a bullish market. Do you get that? Then with the uh, origin of this double bottom that we have here. So this is the beginning, right? This is the foundation of that bearish movement to the upside. Did you get that? Now, if you see here, there's a particular trend line here that was broken, right? But we don't need this because it is irrelevant. So now the price is moving in a channel, right? Forming higher highs. Do you get that? So that means what we should be looking at should be a buy. Do you get that? So now we have those. So I'm going to delete these two so that it's going to be easier for us to understand. So if you have seen the second video, you will realize that I always have this on my chart. This arrow simply shows the overall direction of where I'm expecting the market to go, so that I don't go in the wrong direction of the market. You understand? So it's just a general overview to remind me of where I'm expecting the market to go based on the analysis that I have done. Do you get? Because sometimes you can come to the market because I'm trading from a lower time frame. I can forget that the market is going bearish, and then I want to hold a bearish entry for a long time. Meanwhile, the market is going bullish. Do you get? So the market will go stronger in the direction of the overall trend than in the direction of the trend in a lower time frame. What I mean by that is, since the market is bullish, the market is going to go up more than it's going to go down more. Do you get that? So now we've seen what the market is doing. So you can just mark this on your chart as well. So currently we can see that this market is kind of stalling. So it's not really moving or giving a specific direction, right? So we have this resistance up here, right? And then we have a little trend line. We're connecting this low, right? And this low with this low, we have what? A triple touch now. Do you get that? A triple touch. And if we go to 4 hours time frame, if we go to 4 hours time frame, right, this is still the trend line. All right, we go to 4 hours time frame, we see what the market is doing. So you can adjust the trend line because you can see that it's not properly placed, right? So like I said, you can replicate the same thing on your chart, right? You can replicate the same thing on your chart. There is no crime for that. So you do that, and then yes. So now that means what we are expecting is for the market to continue to push to the upside, right? So that is from 4 hours time frame, right? From 4 hours time frame. Do you get that? From 4 hours time frame. So our daily time frame confirms, 4 hours time frame confirms the trend that we see from the daily time frame, that it is a buy, right? And then we go to 1 hour time frame. Now this region, this point that I marked, right, is the region where I took some trades, right? I have the result on the Telegram page, so you can join. The description will be in this video. All right, I caught this movement, right? I caught it. I think I caught this one too, right? Before this one, right? So I can't really remember, but I caught one of these and then I posted it on the group there. Do you get that? So um, that is how this guy works. So we are overall looking for a bullish movement. All right. So now, if you are familiar with me, you will know that I have a secret trend line or a unique trend line. So at this point, if price comes to this trend line, I'll be looking at buying. Why? Because the direction of the market is a buy. So even though if you are going to buy from a bearish signal like this, from a bearish trend, it should be the break of that trend line. You understand? It should be the break. Do you get? Because this is bearish trend line, but the market is showing bullish. So now, even if price gets to this trend line, right, and then we are expecting it to drop to this trend line here, do you get that? And push to the upside, right? And push to the upside. Do you get? So when you have the overall direction of the market, you will always be at the right side of the market. You will have less error, you understand, and less loss because you are in the right direction of the market. Do you get that? So now if we go to 15-minute time frame, right? 15-minute time frame. Okay, go to 15-minute time frame. Okay, this is the buy that I caught. This is the buy that I caught. This particular one here. I think I saw it more from 15 minutes and one hour. This is the buy, yes, from here up here. Alright, that is the buy that I caught. You get, I didn't catch this, I missed this. This would have been another entry for me. Alright, okay, so now let's see how 15 minutes looks like. So overall, the 15 minutes is still in line with the 1 hour, right? So we are just simply expecting the markets to come into our zone, into this trend line or this trend line, and then we take action. Do you understand that? So now, if I'm going to sell here, I'm not going to be holding my sell as a swing, maybe for 1 week or 2 weeks. I'm not going to do that because I know that the market power is bullish. Do you understand that? Yes. So what I'll be holding longer will be the buy. Do you get? So for now, there is no action right now, right? There is no action right now. So what to do is just to wait for price to come to this trend line. If you have it on your chart, it's going to be interesting, and then to this one here. All right, before you can say you want to go in for an entry for VIX25 1x. As you can see, it's very simple. So you should keep it simple also on your chart, right? It is the easiest thing that you are able to understand that will make you money in the market. All right, guys. So that is all for VIX25. However, if you have any question, please do reach out to me, all right, through the Telegram page. Join, and then you will see amazing things in the group. All right, thank you everyone.